Walked up 11,000 feet? Probably, no. Yeah. Probably 15 set of stairs. We can't breathe. We're at Loveland Pass. We just threw the drone up. Roll the clip.
Dronies for you jabronis. Hey, got him.
Now we are headed to Salt Lake City, Bonneville, Salt Flats.
AKA your mom.
AKA your mom's house. It feels so good up here. I wish I could just... It's probably like, what, 65 degrees?
Yeah.
69? Ooh. We're headed to Arches National Park.
Getting lost outside in the cold.
Alright, so you probably can't see me very well, but let me do this. Justin and I tried to go to this campsite and it's all blocked off. So now we're going to find another place and eat some food. Alright, so we just focus. So we stopped at a grocery store. We're in Moab right now. We're about to go down to Zion National Park and just re-upped on vitamins because I don't feel too good. So, about to get a move on. Alright, it is the 19th of August and Justin and I are about to head to LA. This is our final stretch and we've been bogged down here because I had a fever the past 2 days.
He's got COVID, don't let him lie to you.
I don't have COVID.
That means that I have the immune system of a fucking tank because I won't get it.
Yeah, he won't get it and we'll be good. I had the Delta variant. So yeah, we're about to head out, about to go to Malibu, beat some traffic. I sound like a wet rag. And we're gonna go hit the beach, wait for traffic to die down, and then you're going to West Hollywood.
Yeah, let me speak some words of encouragement to these people. Per Synergy Kombucha, step out of the darkness of yesterday and into the light of today. How about it?
Amazing.
What do you think, dude?
Sick, dude. Roger, Roger. What's your vector, Victor?
Cox 102579.
Better shred some shred some narnar or what?
First, definitely for sure.
Dope.
Hey,
How was it?
it's good. It's toasty out here, so it feels good on your balls. Because it's so warm, it just breezes in. Now I'm gonna load up with more water.
Wait for me, darling. I could go for more real slow.
I'm freaking out.
Are you losing it right now?
Dude, losing it. This isn't real. This is not a real place. I'm dipping. You can take the boy out of Georgia, but you can't take Georgia out of the boy.
Look at Mav over there.
Crazy. He doesn't even know what's going on.
Slow down, yeah.
What are you gonna say, dude?
I don't know. What do you gotta say?
Pumped up or what?
Dude,
Pumped up or what?
this isn't real. Look at this.
That's a long drive.
Don't leave me on my